In this video, I will tell you how to get a disposable virtual card on Revolut. So first what you need to do is open the Revolut mobile app and sign in to your account. Then from the home screen, tap the cards icon, which is usually located near the top right. Next, tap plus add new and select disposable. Make sure you do not select the regular virtual option if you want the card details to change after each use. After that, tap get card for free or whichever confirmation button appears. Once the disposable card is created, open it and tap show details or simply tap the card image. You may then need to confirm your identity using your passcode, Face ID or fingerprint. Finally, use the displayed card number, expiry date, and CVV when making your online payment. That's how you get a disposable virtual card on Revolut. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.